my God! English speaking kids!
Welcome, kids! In this video, let's learn about types of reptiles and their activities, like crocodile, turtle, snake, lizard, and others. Yay! This is an alligator. Wow. Alligator. Alligators are big reptiles with wide snouts and strong tails. They live in rivers, lakes, and swamps, can swim fast, and eat fish, birds, and animals. They bask in sunlight. This is a chameleon. Wow. Chameleon? Chameleons are lizards that can change color to hide or show feelings. They have long, sticky tongues to catch insects, eyes that move separately, and tails that help them balance. This is crab. Wow. Crabs are crustaceans with hard shells, 2 big claws, and 8 legs. They walk sideways, live on beaches or underwater, and eat plants, fish, and scraps. Crabs hide in burrows. This is a crocodile. Wow, crocodile. Crocodiles are giant reptiles with powerful jaws and sharp teeth. They live in rivers and swamps, swim quickly, and can stay underwater quietly, waiting to catch fish, birds, or animals. This is earthworm. Wow, earthworm! Earthworms are soft, legless creatures living in soil. They wiggle through dirt, making tunnels that help plants grow. They eat soil and leaves, turning it into rich fertilizer for gardens. This is a frog. Wow. Frogs are amphibians that live in water and on land. They hop with strong legs, croak loudly, and eat insects. Frogs start as tadpoles with tails before growing legs. This is a grub. Wow, grub. Grubs are baby insects that look like white worms. They live underground, eating roots and plants. After growing, they turn into beetles. Many birds and animals love to eat grubs. This is a king cobra. Wow, king cobra. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake. It raises its hood and hisses when scared. Found in forests, it eats other snakes and is respected as a powerful reptile. This is a Komodo dragon. Wow. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard in the world. It lives on islands, hunts animals, and has sharp teeth. Though it looks scary, it's an important reptile in nature. This is Leech. Wow. Leech. Leeches are slimy, worm-like creatures that live in water or wet soil. Some suck blood, while others eat plants. They wriggle, stick to surfaces, and have been used in old medicine. This is lizard. Wow. Lizard. Lizards are scaly reptiles with 4 legs and long tails. They run fast, climb walls, and love warm sunlight. Many eat insects, and some, like geckos, can regrow their tails. This is millipede. Wow. Millipede? Millipedes are long, many-legged creatures. They move slowly, curling into a spiral when scared. Millipedes eat dead plants, helping nature recycle, and live in damp soil, gardens, or under rocks. This is a python. Wow, python. Pythons are large, non-venomous snakes. They wrap around prey and squeeze tightly. Pythons live in forests and grasslands, eat animals, and are among the strongest snakes in the world. This is a scorpion. Wow. Scorpion. Scorpions are arachnids with 8 legs, 2 big pincers, and a curved tail that can sting. They hide under rocks, glow under UV light, and hunt insects at night. This is a sea turtle. Wow. Sea turtle. Sea turtles live in oceans. They have strong shells and flippers for swimming. They travel long distances, eat sea plants and jellyfish, and always return to beaches to lay eggs. This is a skink. Wow. Skink. Skinks are small, shiny lizards with smooth bodies and short legs. They run quickly, hide under rocks or leaves, and eat insects. Some skinks can even lose and regrow their tails. This is slug. Wow. Slug. Slugs look like snails without shells. They are soft, slimy, and crawl slowly using a foot. Slugs eat plants, especially leaves, and prefer moist, shady places like gardens or forests. This is a snail. Wow. Snail. Snails are soft creatures with spiral shells. They move slowly using a slimy foot, leaving a shiny trail. Snails eat plants and love damp, shady places like gardens and ponds. This is snake. Wow. Snake. Snakes are long reptiles with no legs. They slither smoothly, flick their tongues to smell, and live in forests, deserts, and water. Some are venomous, others harmless, but all are fascinating. This is a spider. Wow. Spiders are arachnids with 8 legs and silk-spinning abilities. They weave webs to catch insects, live in many habitats, and come in many sizes. Most are harmless and very helpful. This is a termite. Wow. Termite. Termites are tiny insects that live in groups called colonies. They build tall mud homes and eat wood and leaves. Though small, they work together as excellent builders and cleaners. This is turtle. Wow. Turtle. Turtles are reptiles with hard shells to protect their bodies. They move slowly, eat plants and small creatures, and live both on land and in water, like ponds, lakes, and rivers.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. OMG English Speaking Kids. For more fun, see you in next video. Goodbye.